Okay. In order to protect effective against photoaging, the sunscreen should contain which of the following active ingredients? Okay, I think this question, no need to read the whole stem of the question because this is a direct question. How to, what should we need to decrease the sunscreen cream should contain which of the following to decrease the photoaging? Let me check if you can reply to me directly or no. Oh my god, I cannot see your answers here. I don't know if there's a problem with my webinar. I cannot see your answers directly right away. Okay, the sunscreen should contain which of the following to prevent photoaging? More commonly, photoaging is due to ultraviolet A. Ultraviolet A ray. Ultraviolet A. And the sunscreen should contain the ingredients to prevent the penetration of ultraviolet A into derm and hypoderm. The only option is here zinc oxide. Zinc oxide can prevent the penetration of both ultraviolet B and A. And the remainder, for example, para-amino benzoic acid, vitamin E, and trulamine salicylate. You just only prevent penetration of ultraviolet B, not A. And trimethoprim sulfamide oxazole is not relevant to this question. Only option, the right option is zinc oxide, which can prevent the penetration of both ultraviolet A and B, which can decrease the photoaging.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.